Hey everyone, welcome to Artwork Fly. I will be giving away free portrait drawing every month or every 2 months based on what is going on in the world or my background setting. This is only for subscribers. This giveaway will be done if I gain 150 subscribers by you guys sharing this video or any video listed below. My channel mainly targets high school students and teachers who love arts and a bit of drama. It can also attract other persons such as younger children, adults, and teenagers based on my personality. So if you're that type of person, please subscribe. The purpose of the giveaway is to practice drawing more. I feel that if I do it for others, it pushes me to want more, learn more, and want to do better. If you want to learn more about me, you can read the description below, click the links below this video. So after reaching 200 subscribers by the end of October 2020, the giveaway would then start. I will also do Inktober next month, and school is reopening, so it's a perfect time to post some videos and to share my videos to our students, our teachers, or anybody who is interested. Details of the giveaway. I will select the winners every month after gaining 200 subscribers by October 31st. If not, the giveaway will be off, but I will still continue to draw portrait drawings of subscribers every month, but I will skip the hassle of mailing it to them. This will be done if I can see your picture clearly in the comment section, the discussion, or your YouTube page. After selecting the winner, a video will be made to announce it. If you are that lucky winner, you're going to email me a picture of yourself only. The picture should be clear, bold, and in color, not in black and white. You should also message me the address that you want me to send the portrait drawing to. Email is down below. How to get a chance to win. 1. You should write in my discussion section, I should. Just the words, I should. Or if you want to explain why you should, go ahead and do so. 2. You should follow at least one of my social media pages. If you follow 3 of them, more likely you're going to get selected. 3. You should like and share this video or any other video listed below. So it doesn't have to be this one. This giveaway is only for Jamaicans. Well, thank you guys for watching. Check out some of my other suggested videos above. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys soon. Artwork Fly.